Hey guys, this is Sakil and you're watching Random Knowledge. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install Audacity or Audiotonic. Audacity is a free and open source digital audio editor and recording application software available for Windows, macOS, Linux and many other Unix-like operating systems. So let's begin. To download Audacity on your system, just simply search for Audacity on your browser. For this video I'm using Chrome. And simply click in the first link. You can also click the link below in the description to save your precious time. And then after opening the link, you can see the introduction page. Just scroll down, you will find the downloading option. Then click on download Audacity. Starts downloading. Once this file is downloaded, open it, then just click yes. Then okay. Then next once again, and this will be the location where Audacity will be installed on your system. If you want, you can change it. So next and then install. Now wait for a few seconds. As you can see, Audacity is started. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, drop a like and comment down if you get any problems on installing Audacity. I will reply you and try to fix it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe my channel for getting more informative videos like this. Till then, stay tuned.